Hello. A severe week of weather ahead with two named storms. First one Wednesday night, Storm Dudley, an amber warning for this, and then Storm Eunice with yellow warnings for the southern half of the UK. The jet stream, a very powerful streak of the jet stream, comes out of North America during Tuesday. 200 mile per hour plus winds high up in the atmosphere, helping to spin up various areas of low pressure, in particular Storm Dudley as it arrives across the Atlantic and then affects northern parts of the UK during Wednesday night into the start of Thursday. Meanwhile, on Thursday itself, very quickly, another area of low pressure rapidly gets picked up by that powerful jet stream, spins up and pushes into the southern half of the UK for Friday morning. More on that in a moment, but for the UK on Monday night, at least clear spells and lighter winds for a time, so a touch of frost out there for the first half of the night before the next batch of rain moves in from the west, this falling as snow over the higher parts of Scotland above mainly 300 metres, and it will be heavy and persistent across western hills first thing on Tuesday. So temperatures actually recovering through the night after that touch of frost early on. But it's a cold start nevertheless, and a wet and windy start in the west and the south first thing as that rain moves through. It does clear Scotland, northern and western England as well as Wales during the morning, but pushes into the Midlands, East Anglia, southern counties where it sits for some time into the afternoon. Also quite breezy along that rain in the south. So an unpleasant day to come for southern counties, but it does brighten up elsewhere behind the rain. Further wintry showers falling as snow above 200 metres for parts of Scotland. In between, drier for a time with lighter winds and temperatures 6 or 7 Celsius in the north, 10 or 11 further south. Quite soon though, clouding over across Northern Ireland, the next area of rain moves in for Tuesday evening, so it doesn't stay clear for long, and it's a damp night for many with some heavy and persistent rainfall once again over western hills. That accompanied by a strong breeze pushing it through. And once that area of rain clears through on Wednesday morning, a mild night to come, frost-free for most of us, well, it does start off damp in many places on Wednesday with that rain in, well, northern and eastern parts first thing, and soon enough further cloud and rain push in for Wednesday itself. Another couple of weather fronts bringing heavy and persistent rain for a time. This feature, accompanied by increasingly strong southwesterlies, brings milder air with it, so 14-15 Celsius in the south, but increasingly windy. Coastal gales developing, and those develop very widely across northern parts of the UK later Wednesday as Storm Dudley arrives. And Storm Dudley likely to bring some very serious weather to the northern half of the UK during Wednesday night. Really, it's into the evening of Wednesday that the tightest isobars push into western and southern Scotland, Northern Ireland and northern England. So winds peaking during the early hours of Thursday as Dudley moves through. And a yellow warning has been issued for the northern half of the UK. Within the yellow warning area, 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts, 80 within the amber warning area, or even 90 around exposed coasts and hills. Friday, Eunice, and this as well has a yellow warning attached with the risk of widespread gales in the south, 70, and in some spots the risk of 80 mile per hour wind gusts, leading to damage to structures as well as disruption to travel and power supplies, and risk of dangerous conditions around coastal areas as those winds move through during Friday morning. Also, on the northern flank of these weather warnings, the risk of disruptive snowfall and blizzards for the likes of North Wales, northern England, southern Scotland. So an awful lot of severe weather coming up this week. Stay across the Met Office weather warnings and forecasts. You can do that by following us on social media or checking the app and the website. Bye-bye.